prayed that I hope, like Simran found her Raj in Europe, I find mine. And somehow that wish has come true. So I'm really happy. Yeah.
Kunti uvacha.
It's so beautiful, gorgeous. My God, I love you.
Namasye purusham tvadyam.
Oh.
Ishwaram
Like it?
Yes.
Alaksam
Finally, we made it. We executed all our.
Yeah. Fine. We are here. All dream coming true.
Namo
We all know this place is famous from the time when Lord Shiva got married. So when we came here very first time, our experience was both of us, we wanted to live here for maybe longer. Like it is not a place for 1 night, 2 nights. So this is really calm place, really peaceful, and the vibration over here will always attract you. Anybody coming here will feel like coming back again. And so that's why we decided this is going to be the perfect place to get married. And if we do that, we'll keep visiting again and again. मैं क्या होगा ना कि मैं नीचे जाऊंगा, तुम ऊपर रुकना,
हाँ.
और उसी की तो मैं नीचे जाके वो चादर भेज दूंगा, वे दादा आ जाएंगे, घोड़े रहबा, तब चारू घोड़े एंट्री करवाई, ठीक है? It is inter-religion marriage, but we never felt like that. So this year only we started planning for a trip. We were thinking like we'll come over here in India from Poland and UK. We decided to go to Kedarnath temple. So we visited Kedar Baba together, climbing all those 17 kilometers and all those tough terrain. And there we realized there is a place, Triyuginarayan, right? So that's why we found this place. और ऊपर जा और आज पहचान जाता कोई दिक्कत
आज हो गई इश्क की सुबह हर तरफ है रोशनी सज रहा है जहां ख्वाब है जितने भी आँखों में संग तेरे बांटना चाहूं मैं.
So we met in Europe,
Yeah.
same like Simran and Raj in DDLJ.
It was my first day in office, and he was my trainer. And that day, I think we clicked. Like, I hardly knew anyone in a new city, and we started speaking for 10-15 minutes, and we stayed late after working hours talking to each other. We liked speaking to each other a lot, and from there, conversation started.
तू जो मेरा
Yeah,
But we realized late
yeah,
that we were very close friends. We needed each other
yeah. Just before
to
you-
move on in life. It was really a good experience being very good friend of each other for a long time.
Oh,
And even now we are very good friend. I think more than anything we are friends, and
Yeah.
that brings us to any difficult project or any difficult task doing together very nicely, and like we can manage it.
से तुम्हारे हम हैं वक्त हुआ है मेहरबान.
So So we enjoyed traveling together, we enjoyed cooking and eating, going out, doing a lot of fun. So it was quite easy to
Trying new
move on.
adventures.
Yeah,
We did
exactly.
some good hikes together in Scotland. We did some open water snorkeling, which he's scared of, but together we make it happen. So, all those things, trying things that he likes and trying things that I like, helped us to, get to know each other more and fall in love further.
नचदे नचदे आए सारे रज के रख रख देण दुआएं बन के सहराया सारे
जैसे यहाँ पे राजा हिमांचल ने अपनी पुत्री पार्वती का कन्यादान आपका राजा ये आपकी माता
कैसे बाबुल आंसू छिपते तेरा यार सजन आया दिन आज मिलन आया
I like that she's very persistent. What she wants to get done, she will make sure that it is done. Having that punctuality, persistence, having that dedication towards anything, be it so whether it is about love, or it's about working, or it's about planning a trip, a small trip. So everything has to be perfect, and I am not a person of perfection. I move with the flow. I find this relationship really important because it gives me what I don't have.
घर की दुआएं आंगन के साए आंचल से बांधे ले जा रे रिश्तों की डोरी नई हर की लोरी रख के शगुन में ले जा रे सदके तेरे हैं उम्रें घर की
He's the most kind, genuine, honest person I have met, and I feel he can do no wrong to anyone. So even if he's been hurt or has had tough times, I know he'll still have good intentions for people. So that's something that I love about him, because I can't have that kind of personality which he has. So I admire it. Hope someday I'll have it, but I really love that about him.
तेरा यार सजन आया
More than adventure, more than fun, more than a trip, it is a lot more important than anything else in the world. And I think we both appreciate that vibration and the importance of this place.
से जाने दुनिया अब से ये सारी मुझे सजदे करूं तेरे आगे बातें
To always stay together even in tough times, no matter what life throws at us. So that's a commitment I always made to him, and I will keep it forever.
तुमसे जुड़ी है ये जीवन की डोर मेरे तू ही तो मेरा है मीत रे हारूं तुझी पे मैं दोनों जहां ये मेरे तू ही तो मेरी है जीत रे
ऐसा मेरा ये जिया रे
It's like definitely I would want to here in Tribhuvan, there is believing that when once you get married here you reunite again and again for your seventh life, and I made that commitment. So that's one, and other is I will try my level best to become a perfect husband.
लिखा मैंने लिखा मेरी हथेली पे है नाम नाम नाम
love would be sacrifice, because it takes a lot of sacrifices to be with the person you love. It's not very easy. It's not an easy journey. Initially, it's all rosy, but eventually, to sustain any love, it's sacrifice. So I think for me, love would be greater sacrifice.
नमः पङ्कजनेत्राय नमस्ते पङ्कजाङ्घ्रये
Love is beautiful and it gives you a strength to do all that you can't do without it.
नमः